Welcome parents to Curriculum Night. This is English Language Arts for Standard Plus. Let's meet the teachers. Miss Clark, Miss Ladaney, and Mr. Witter represent the Barracuda team. Mrs. Hamilton, Mrs. Ralph, and Miss Houck represent the Stingray team. Language Arts utilizes the Common Core for 7th grade English and Language Arts. The complete curriculum is available at www.ncpublicschools.org. You can see on this slide the materials that are required for 7th grade students.
Here's some information for Standard Plus. We use the Springboard curriculum, which is more research-based, writing-intensive, and heavy analysis of text. Introduction of document-based questioning, or DBQ. Focus on the power stems for vocabulary. More modeling and guided practice with students in novel studies. Here are some of the highlights for each quarter. Quarter 1, short story elements, literary elements, vocabulary study, reading strategies, document-based question 1, DBQ1, who are the outsiders, beginning stages of argumentative writing. Quarter 2, short story unit, nonfiction study, nonfiction reading strategies. DBQ Quarter 2, or document-based question number 2, courage versus fear, argumentative writing, research skills, sentence structure, essay structure, writing with style and elaboration.
For Quarter 3, we will be focusing on a novel study, a teacher-selected Shakespeare play. The document-based questioning for Quarter 3 is true love true? Narrative poetry, lyric poetry, sensory imagery, poetic devices, and figurative language. For Quarter 4, we will focus on literary elements, which we will revisit from Quarter 1, novel studies, test-taking strategies, and end-of-grade review.
Thank you so much for taking the time to listen about the curriculum for this year, and we look forward to having a great school year with you and your child. Thank you.